we hold so dear. I want to share our gratitude this year at this special gathering to keep in touch, to count the blessings that mean so much. I wish every one of you a very good afternoon to the honorable dignitaries present here at the occasion today, along with the respected principal, Madam Rupade, the teachers, the parents, and my beautiful little children. I thank you all for coming together here to celebrate the 6th annual day function of Mother International School. It is often said that great things start from small beginnings, and today it is a very proud moment for me to be able to stand here and address the students of Mother International School, as I have witnessed the growth of the school from its baby stages to the large institution of education that it has transformed into today. The growth and establishment of the school can, however, be accredited to two persons: the President of Angel Education Society, Srimati Erina Roy, and the Chairman, Shri Rudrabhi Roy. Two individuals who have made it the mission of their lives to provide holistic education to the future generation of this country, as their collective vision of a developed India lies in the education of the children. They have made it their motto to build quality educational institutions, and we have been blessed to be able to call them as our founders. Mother International School is just a single branch of the tree of education that they have planted together. As far as quality of education is concerned, Mother International School has always believed that it is the single most important factor which distinguishes a good school from a great school, and we have always strived to be the latter. Our students this year have outperformed themselves in the Science Olympiad exams by standing between 1st and 10th within the city. Along with the academics, however, the school also concentrates on developing and promoting several extracurricular activities for the students, as it believes that all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. However, I would sincerely thank each and every stakeholder for their unrelenting support and hope that they will continue to support us on our upcoming endeavors as they have continued to do up until now. Last but not the least, I would like to acknowledge the collective efforts of the entire team of Mother International School, Konnagar, under the leadership of our administrator, Mr. Biswarup Das, and primary in charge, Ms. Sharmishta Sarkar, for upholding the high standards that our founders have hoped for the school, and I congratulate them for transforming Mother International School into what it is today. Thank you.